name is Choose Tillmann, and I'm the founding member of Tillmann Law. We specialize in car accident, medical malpractice, truck collision, wrongful death. Those are kind of the general areas that we tend to focus on and help people out with. Started practicing in the corporate world. It wasn't something I enjoyed. You weren't working with individuals. You were working with large companies, large corporations. You weren't helping anybody. And I wanted to be able to get involved with, work with individuals, get in the courtroom and see if I could make a difference. Back in 2014, my mother was involved in a high-speed rear-end collision. And because of that collision, we found out that she had a lifelong heart condition. Over the next year or so, we watched her deteriorate, break down, and unfortunately, she did not make it through that. And I saw how that impacted my family, and it changed the entire structure of my family. It changed what I wanted to do and what I wanted to do to help people. Getting to know the client, that's priority one. To me, it's not so much a job as it is something that I'm there to help them with. I'm going to walk them through the path, and we're going to do it together. I will go above and beyond for anyone. I want to go out there and really make a change in my client's life. So when they come in and they tell me what's happened to them, what they're going through, I want to make sure it's something that we can help them with, we can assist with, and let them know I've been there. We know where they're coming from, what they're dealing with, and where that's eventually going to go to. It's important as well that you have the skill. It's one thing to understand and empathize with the client, but you've got to be able to accomplish what you're going to set out to help achieve for them. When you're putting those tools in the toolbox, per se, a lot of people think maybe that ends at law school graduation. And then you go out, you get some experience, and that's how you get there. There's a constant refinement over and over again. You come to these events, you come to TLU. I've been to other events that Dan Ambrose has put on, and they're fantastic. He brings in the best people. You get amazing skill sets. You get new ideas. There's something you learn every time. I think I owe it to my clientele, to my friends and family, to continue to hone my craft. You have to enjoy what you're doing. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, it's not going to get you up in the morning. I get this side where I get to go and represent somebody. I get to battle for them. I get to represent their interests. And we get to go up against the big insurance company and fight against them. You know, you've got them to a point where they feel that they've received justice.